Look how big my baby done got, y'all. Look at this baby. Say good morning. Say good morning. Good morning. Watching Miss Rachel. I see you. 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 I see you.
My car is beautiful again. Talking us lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you.
What it do, y'all? So we're back. I don't know if y'all can tell. Can y'all tell where we at? Y'all should be able to. These are the old school car washes. The reason being because we do pay for a membership at my Caliber Wash that you just run through the machine or whatever. However, if y'all know and y'all love y'all car, when them bugs get at the front of the car, it just don't get it out. So that's why we're here. And Dad is out there doing his third dizzle. Yeah, I seen him. And then the baby is asleep. What we're really doing though, we're headed to go get we need to re-up baby foods, baby meats, baby TV dinners, baby fruits, baby snacks, and then we need juice and stuff like that, right? So that's what we're gonna do. Probably gonna eat Chipotle tonight. Happy about that. Cause I come up pulling on that motherfucking now. Have y'all seen that TikTok? Right here. Let me stop. But so yeah, that's what's currently going on. I hope y'all are enjoying the vlog so far. I mean, you guys seen they woke up, him starting to walk. Look at that. Ooh, breathe. Handsome, just fine. Y'all see my baby. So my baby is starting to walk, y'all. Look, I'm sorry, I'm getting used to recording. My baby is starting to walk, y'all. Like in his walker, he is gone around the house. He just turned 10 months. So I'm proud of him. Oh my goodness. I mean, he making way for the next baby. I know y'all can see my face roll. And I swear, I don't be knowing how big my belly is until I put on some more clothes. And it's huge. Mommy, I was humming my kids, mommy, bro, I don't be without a jumper. Nah. Okay? Period. So that's what it is. I guess I'll get back to y'all when we get our stuff, go to the store, and we put our food up and we get ready to eat a little bit. Comment below how you guys are liking the vlog. Like the video if you do. That's the same thing to me. And yeah, we're just gonna try to keep these going. I don't know if I'm gonna do weekly vlogs or every 2 day type of vlogs, but yeah, I don't know if y'all can tell I had stopped posting. I had gave up a little bit, but then when I went and I seen I was making a little bit of money, a little piece of change. It's literally change, but I'm thankful. That change can be used for anything, and mind you, we got 2 babies now, so period. But we'll talk again. See you guys soon. Oh, and if you like my curls, get y'all some curling rods, okay? These are the longest my dress ever stayed curled. I just sprayed water on it and oil, and I done had these curls like out, not curled up, you know, when you have on the rods. I done had them out for since Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Excuse me, 6 days, y'all. So yeah, I've been enjoying them. Do my little thug dizzle with them. I just been greasing my scalp and leaving that there. I haven't been putting too much on my edges or whatever. But it's time to wash my hair because, as you can see, I had a retwist and it's time to wash that out, okay? I don't want my dreads to stay skinny at the roots. That's what happens when you don't wash your dreads on time. They kind of take that form. See the difference? They kind of take this form. It locks them that way instead of this way. So keep that in mind. Regular washes. Ain't no Cinderella or whatever. But Rapunzel right down your long hair. Let me stop. I thought that was him like doing like this. I told him I said that. He got like, what you cause the brush black and I'm black. But so yeah. We'll get back to y'all soon. I want to comment down below when y'all baby started walking. When y'all baby started crawling. My baby literally skipped the crawling stage. Okay, he skipped the crawling stage. And y'all gonna see when I run after him later in his walker. And yeah, it's just so fun and funny. But he skipped the crawling stage. And he on to walking already. So y'all comment below when y'all baby started crawling and when y'all baby started walking. He's 10 months. And I know every baby is different, but I still like to know, you know, oh, when did your baby start crawling? When did your baby start walking? Mind you, I got another one on the way, so if you guys got tips for me to help him the next, because he's a boy, start crawling a little sooner. He probably will chase behind his older brother. But if y'all got some tips and tricks, let me know. I know tummy time is a key thing, but how do you guys do your tummy time? You know what I mean? Do you put them on a boppy pillow and just let them sit on their, lay on their stomach? Do you and then it just magically happen? Because he had bad acid reflux, so he didn't really stay on his stomach too much because he was spitting up a lot of his milk, and because he had jaundice, it was important for us to help him keep that down. So we had to sit him up a lot without him doing too much movements because his weight wasn't going up as he needed to at one point. But so yeah, y'all. Look, I don't know if I'm gonna let y'all go now. Once I get into it, I really get into it. But we'll be back. Bye-bye. We got the groceries, y'all. And I'm about to go pick up our dinner for the night, and that's it.
I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do, you do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Hard to grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important.
Hey y'all, that's a wrap for today's vlog. I am currently clocked into work. Can get that money. Period. Talk to you guys another day. This was kind of fun. Let me know if you guys like the vlogs by liking or commenting down below. And yeah, peace out.